Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive straight into the concept of monk mode and how you can implement it into your life. Monk mode refers to a period of intense focus and self-discipline, often inspired by the lifestyle of monks who dedicate themselves to meditation and self-improvement. So, let's get started. Step 1. Set clear goals. Begin by defining what you want to achieve during your monk mode. Is it learning a new skill, starting a business, or improving your overall well-being? Having clear goals will provide you with a sense of direction and purpose throughout this period. Step 2. Minimize distractions. Eliminating distractions is crucial during monk mode. Identify the activities, habits, or people that hinder your progress and minimize their influence. This may involve reducing time spent on social media, avoiding unnecessary commitments, and creating boundaries with others. Eliminate any type of bad things that you find yourself doing daily. Step 3. Design a routine. Establishing a structured routine is essential for monk mode. Plan your day in advance, allocating specific time blocks for focused work, learning, physical activity, and self-reflection. By adhering to a routine, you cultivate discipline and make the most of your time. Step 4. Embrace solitude and silence. During monk mode, embrace solitude and seek moments of silence. Create a designated space where you can meditate, reflect, or engage in deep work without interruptions. Silence and solitude provide an opportunity for self-discovery and inner growth. Step 5. Engage in mindful practices. Incorporate mindful practices into your monk mode routine. This can include meditation, journaling, reading inspirational literature, or engaging in creative outlets. Those activities nurture your mind, foster self-awareness, and enhance personal growth. Step 6. Prioritize self-care. Taking care of yourself is vital during monk mode. Ensure you prioritize sleep, exercise regularly, eat nutritious meals, and practice self-care activities that rejuvenate your mind and body. Remember, a healthy and balanced lifestyle fuels your productivity. And step 7, pray. Praying can help you get closer to your God and help you talk about any problems you're going through in life. Monk mode is a powerful tool for self-improvement and focused growth. By setting clear goals, minimizing distractions, designing a routine, embracing solitude, engaging in mindful practices, and prioritizing self-care, you can make the most of your monk mode experience. During your monk mode journey, you have to make sure you're doing the right things and not the bad things. I have a video about healthy habits that you need in your life, so be sure to check that one out too. If you enjoyed this video in the meantime, make sure that you like it so that you can watch it again sometime. And then, of course, be sure to subscribe so you can get more personal growth videos like this.